guys, it's Tashay Leniece and I am back with another video. This is a CurlBox unboxing. I told y'all that I was going to do September's as well, and then y'all probably won't see them for a while, but it's my birthday month, so you are getting the action. I got it right here, and if you want to see what's inside, then keep on watching. Ugh. So, if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future uploads. And if you are not new, thank you for coming back. We all know what the CurlBox looks like. If you don't know, it is a $25 subscription, $20 for the box, $5 for shipping. It's reoccurring. They have certain days. The next day is September 26th on my birthday. That is the next time that you can sign up for it. You sign up on the email. You gotta be quick. At 9 a.m., like at 8:55, you need to get ready to push. I'm ready to buy. But you get 5 full-size products. I have other CurlBox unboxings on here. They will be linked down below in the description box or in the cards above. And yeah, natural hair products. So let's get into it. They've been sneaking up on me, or CurlBox just ain't been posting because I didn't actually see CurlBox. Maybe they know it's my birthday. So this is what it looks like. This is the month of September. And it's Afro sheen. I feel like they got it before, but I didn't. So, probably is a lot of stuff I won't be using. So we have the Glow Up Shine Spray. Finishes and adds shine. Seem like something for straightening. We have the Velvet Flow 4-in-1 leave-in detangler and curl refresher. I probably could use that. And we have the Throw Out Blowout Spray. Protects hair and controls frizz. If I ever straighten my hair, I probably could use that. We have the Afro sheen Lush Fro Butter. This seems pretty interesting. Is that the top or is that the butter? That definitely seems interesting. And we have the Crown Defining Curl Cream. So, like I said, 5 full-size products. Yeah, this was a quick little video. Yeah. I don't really blow out my hair, but I probably could still use these. So I probably could detangle, with this. I could probably pre-poo with this, and then, use the curl defining cream as a cream and try out the butter. So it's still stuff that I could use. Just the Glow Up Shine Spray and all that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if I've seen some videos on that, because I think Kimberly Sherrill really likes Afro sheen. So, and I believe it's black owned, but don't quote me on it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Again, leave some comments below if you are subscribed to CurlBox. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.